my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of the Bittorrent token and what is the next move occur in the Bittorrent token. We are also talking about this friends. But before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. Now friends, let's see the price of the Bittorrent coin at this time friends. As you can see here, the currently price of the Bittorrent is about 0.007233 USD dollar is the current price of Bittorrent token friends. If we look the change occur in the Bittorrent token, so the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is positive, and last 1 week change as negative 10.26% change occur in a Bittorrent token friends. If you look the currently situation, so as you can see here, the last 1 hour and the last 1 day change is positive. That's mean that the Bittorrent token start jumping from the yesterday friends. Now friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of the last 1 day friends. If we look the change occur in the Bittorrent token in the last 1 day, so the change is about 6.36% and the high price of the Bittorrent token is about 0.007298 USD dollar is the currently highest price of the Bittorrent token friend. Now as you can see here, now they are also in the jumping mood, so that's mean that they also taken a jump rate and now they are in the jumping mode friends. The currently price in the cryptocurrency market of Bittorrent token, as you can see here, 0.007233 USD dollar is the current price of the Bittorrent token friends. Now friends, if we talk about the next move of the Bittorrent token, so let's do a technical analysis friends. As you can see here, for example, let's suppose that is a support line and that is our resistance line friends. So as you can see here, they continue has traveled between these two line friends. As you can see here, take a jump, again bounce down with the resistance level, and now they again bounce with the support line, and now as you can see here on this point they break the resistance line. So when the resistance line broken, that's mean that the big jump coming soon and a coin friend. So a token or cryptocurrencies friend. So the best jump coming soon of the Bittorrent token friends. If you want to make money in a cryptocurrency markets, so you have to understand a technical analysis friends. When the support when the resistance line broken, that's mean that the big jump occurs in this crypto or coin friends. So I hope in the future Bittorrent token take a high jump and that will give you a good amount of profit friends. Now it's time to decide as it the best time to buy, sell or hold. So if you want to make a good profit, so you have to hold Bittorrent token because it is next highest stage of the Bittorrent token. As you can see here in the last 1 day, the highest price of the Bittorrent token is 0.007298 USD dollar, and same like that here is the net highest price. As you can see here, when they had this highest price, so you have to sell it if you need money, and if you want to take a good amount of profit, so please you have to hold it with the last of this one friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the next move. The next move is that the future Bittorrent token take a high jump friends, so please be ready for this friend. What's your opinion about Bittorrent token? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.